Hello there. I'm Sackthing. So, I have bad news for you. There is the Simpsons movie on DVD. Honestly, this DVD was not sure if it tries to play it, and it's not working. So, let's go see what happens when the Simpsons movie DVD starts. During at the PlayStation 3 game menu, there is DVD video on the screen, like DVD-R. Once it tries to play from the beginning, the movie started. Where is that? Oh, just kidding. Now, there is a tension screen, like Fox warning screen. Ooh, the views expressed in the interviews, like 20th Century Fox Film Corporation. Look, there is film rating, like blue screen, and the film is rated PG-13. Geez, some material may be inappropriate for children under 13. This PG-13 is also known as parents strongly cautioned. It's for irreverent humor throughout. Wait a second. Uh-oh. This video cannot be played. Unfortunately, it looks like the Simpsons movie DVD is broken. Maybe it doesn't work well anymore. Sometimes, I'm gonna have to get another Simpsons movie on DVD for my birthday. Occasionally, this might going to have the reference to bring the Sackboy franchise or Alice franchise. Since if I don't know why, that's gonna be a problem. So, make sure to leave a like and comment on this video if you want to. But for now, I'll see you on the next video. Hee hee.